Pinaka-importanting benepisyo ng sampagita, ating alamin. Sampagita isn't just a pretty flower. It's packed with health and wellness benefits. Here are its amazing uses. Una, stress reliever. Yung bango ng sampagita, nakakakalma. Perfect ito bilang essential oil or tea to help you relax after a long day. Pangalawa, immune booster. Sampagita tea is rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and boost your immune system. Pangatlo, natural skincare. May antibacterial properties ang sampagita na pwedeng makatulong sa acne at irritated skin. Pang-apat, mood enhancer. Ang bango nito ay nakakatulong mag-improve ng mood. Kaya try mo itong gawing natural room freshener. From relaxation to skincare, sampagita proves it more than just a flower. It's a wellness secret waiting to be discovered. Next time na makita mo ang sampagita, huwag lang gawing dekorasyon. Subukan mo ang benefits nito para sa katawan at kalusugan. Alagaan ang sarili at magsampagita. Ingat!